Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I'm right now. I'm just waiting for my brother-in-law to come. When you see what's going on over there, I what do you call it? Went to the junk today by LKQ, and I picked up this guy. It's a '99 Q45 Diff. It's a 5-bolt axle, so I went and I got my other 5 bolts back. But I gotta switch out these plates and that output flange. I gotta switch, basically back and forth. So that will, what do you call it? Bolt up with that car. Because that shit's all locked up and shit. And Adam, thanks for the info about those conversion mounts, because I am going to keep, well, that's one of the 6-bolt. There go my 2 5 bolts. I'm going to keep that because I still got that automatic diff, which is a 3.3 gear. So if I find that the 3.691 is too high, then I'll order those mounts. So here goes my solution. Haven't tested it yet. Tucked radiator. It's basically a KA radiator. I don't like this, because obviously it's too low. It's not the highest point. So what I plan on doing, Mitsubishi Outlanders, they have this filler neck where, it just, what do you call it? You can cut and then put the filler neck there, and then so I can bleed it good and all that jazz. And then this piece right here, oh man, what a beauty! It is from a Pathfinder with the single overhead cam VG motor. Ended up getting that. Kind of just did this. So there goes my IC, the radiator. Right now I just have one fan. That should keep it cool. I'll probably order another 12-inch fan. Well, not probably, I will. And that's that. So I lost my hood latch. So I'm probably gonna have to cut that, or cut that out. The latch here. But what I'm gonna do is just get the hood pins, probably go through there and have the ones that are like the carbon fiber. They're flat and they have a lock. Because that was one of the things I was kind of scared. I didn't want to lose the functionality of having the hood lock. But if I get those hood pins that are latchable and they're thing, then that should be fine. So at least this, I feel much better with this. Like you guys, we've been discussing on the YouTube forum. This is where I kind of like this because I like hearing you guys' input and my input. That's what I kind of miss about the whole, KAT.org days. But so like Homebrewed and some of the other guys had chimed in, something Dallas, but about the tucked radiator. So I ended up I kind of just did my own tucked radiator with the stock K, because honestly, guys, I don't have money to be, throwing out. But at least I got it to sit in there. It's out of the engine bay, away from all this heat. So that'll definitely help with these temps. It's like I had, that silicone hose from the KA from before, and then just got a straight pipe to connect to that flex. So, I definitely feel this will, help with those coolant temps. That'll be great. If not, I'm going to be pissed. It was a lot of work. I like the chase bays, they go and they cut out this area. And you can kind of see where I did. I freaking couldn't really see because I didn't want to take off the hood and all that. I mean, the front bumper. So I just did that. So I cut that. And got there and then cut that one. And then I got to work on the clearance with these. They're that. If not, maybe I might just go sleepy eye and say fuck it. So that's part of the, the solution. So I definitely think it's gonna be better. Just this whole, damn text message came in. Yeah, so putting in work tomorrow, going to the fair, and just so then Monday or even tomorrow night, I can get well, tonight I'm gonna get this fixed. So after that, then tomorrow night I can kind of just test, go cruise, and see. But yeah, it was feeling good the other day when I was driving, and even I was driving on that road there, but just third gear and just started doing the pull. I don't know, maybe I got up to like 40 miles an hour or something. But the car feels good, especially the suspension with all the bushings. So, all right, there goes my ride. So I'll talk to you guys later. So, all right, to finish off my video from last night, I didn't do shit today on the car. I mean, yesterday I woke up. Well, actually, hold on, check this. You can see my shirt. Ain't that a cool ass shirt? Yeah, I went to the fair today, so I didn't do shit today. But yesterday, you know, went to the junkyard in the morning and just out throughout the whole day. You know, worked on the car. Didn't get done till like 12 o'clock last night. And so, you know, basically, Diff is done. And here, since the radiator, you know, is there. I ordered some hood pins, and I gotta then cut that out because that's what's sitting on top of the radiator. I mean, it's fine. Oh, and then I got my turbo blanket in the mail, so that's on. It's pretty cool how the concentric reducer, you know, works. But now, you know, I can do some testing and see how this coolant's going. And then I want to finalize that stupid ass bracket. And of course do some piping. I ended up, when I went to the junkyard, I pulled some pigtails. You know, just cut some male and female leads of, you know, different things that I need so I can, I think this one's a 2-wire. Yeah, so I'm going to use a fan. For that, since, you know, it has those weird things. And then I had this to jump a thing for the starting signal, and then this one's for my starter because it got messed up. But anyhow, so at least that's that. So hopefully tomorrow I can do some testing and see how the coolants run. I really can't drive her, you know, like that, but at least I can see how the coolant is being. So, alright guys, talk to you later.